Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Ali after Zaman. In today's video we are going to learn how we can create an effective and catchy Facebook profile and cover photo, because these two things are very important for a Facebook page. When a visitor will come to your Facebook page, they first see your profile and cover photo. When your profile and cover photo is not catchy, when your face settings is not catchy, there is nothing in your face to attract visitors. So this is the second class of Facebook marketing course. So stay with me. Without wasting time, let's move to the desktop screen. I have come to my desktop screen, and this is the page which we have created in the first video, as you can see at my mouse cursor. So I will go to the Canva. Canva.com is a website where we design our Facebook posts, Facebook cover photo, Facebook profile picture, all the things we need as about to the post or CVs or resume, anything. This is the platform where we can design anything free of cost. So we will search her logo. I will search logo. I will click on logo. So it shows me a lot of logos, but I will not use this logo. I will create my custom logo. Click on plus icon. It will show me a pop-up. Click on here. So here is the desktop of the Canva, and here's the dimension we have put to the Canva search bar. I will go to the photos. I will search for yellow background at the image section. I will apply it to this. So I have applied this. Then I will text her. I have applied my text here. Then we will customize it. We will change its font, and we will also change its sizes and another all the things. So I will apply this font to this. From Islamic TV, I will resize it. Then I will come to the elements. Click on elements, go to the shapes, click on see all. I will click on this, resize it. It's a rectangular shape, and I will change its color to black. I will move it to the opposite side. I will change its size. It's time to apply some effects to the text, so I will click on effects. Click on this. It's not good. Click on this. It's looking nice. So I will name it TV profile. Click on download. So now we will change this design to the Facebook profile dimension. This profile will automatically change to the Facebook profile dimensions. So I will click on first resize, then in the drop down I will click on Facebook cover. I will click on copy and resize. So I have copied and resized my Facebook cover size, and I will click on download. So I have created now an effective Facebook profile and Facebook cover photos for the test Facebook cover. So I will go to the Facebook pages, click on that page which we have created one day ago and a first class. So click on Chand Islamic TV. It's a profile region, it's a cover photo region. So first we will apply our profile picture. So click on this camera, edit profile picture, upload photo. So we will click on this because we have created first this, and this is a profile picture. So it shows now Chand Islamic TV as a profile picture. I will click on save. So we have applied our profile picture to our Facebook page profile. So it's time to apply our Facebook page cover photo. So click on edit, upload photo, click on the first one, and then it will automatically text add the Facebook cover photo. I will click on save changes. So congratulations, we have applied our Facebook profile and Facebook cover photo to our Facebook page, and we have created it at canva.com in just in 3 to 4 minutes. If you enjoy the video, click on the like button, subscribe my channel and share my videos.